was something that is like, okay, I'll remember something. So don't be like my relatives. So who wants to start?
You start.
Oh, I mean, I didn't. All right, so for me, so we have to do cheers at the end, but drink just sip. So for me, I think it was nice just because it's nice to be back in the city that I was born. Even though I've been out, I have to get out. Even though I was out since 2007, long time. Some of you guys are little. But it's nice. It's nice to come to this university and meet some of. I feel like when I talk to some of you guys, like I feel like this is like my younger self, 20 years ago. But anyway, so thank you so much for coming to our English club. Hopefully you made some good friends. Hopefully you can still stay in touch through WhatsApp, and even come visit us in Hong Kong or Houston or even Mongolia. I mean, Mongolia is much closer, obviously. So let's stay in touch. Cheers.
Cheers.
На здоровье.
На здоровье.
What would you
Cheers.
say, Kazakh?
Cheers.
Қазақша қалай айтады?
Білмеймін. Cheers.
Mongolia.